District Court of Guam Chief Judge Francis Tadenko Gatewood has scheduled a hearing for Wednesday morning for accused Russian hacker Roman Seleznev. The purpose of the hearing is to entertain a motion filed by Seleznev's local attorney Patrick Seville to have his client released from the Guam Department of Corrections. Seville argues no court in the U.S. has jurisdiction to entertain Seleznev's case because his arrest by U.S. Secret Service agents in the Maldives violated international law. He not only accused the U.S. government of kidnapping Seleznev, but argues he should be released based on, quote, outrageous governmental misconduct. Seville asserts U.S. law enforcement agencies have no power to execute an arrest warrant outside the United States, absent express statutory authority. In court filings just today, U.S. Assistant Attorney Merrick David submitted documents related to authority the Federal Bureau of Investigation has to override international law in extraterritorial law enforcement activities. In her brief, it states that at the direction of the President or the Attorney General, the FBI may use its statutory authority to investigate and arrest individuals for violating United States law, even if the FBI's actions contravene customary international law. As reported, Seleznev was picked up by federal agents in the Maldives in early July and flown to Guam. According to press releases from the U.S. government, he was arrested in Guam on July 6th. Seleznev is wanted in the state of Washington, where he was indicted on federal charges in March 2011 for multiple counts of bank fraud, intentional damage to a protected computer, and aggravated identity theft, to name a few. Between October 2009 and 2011, he's accused of engaging in a computer hacking scheme within Washington state and elsewhere. Seleznev is accused of hacking into computer servers worldwide to facilitate his illegal operation, which involved stolen credit card data. On Wednesday, the chief judge will hold a hearing on the motion for release, but in order today, she advised the parties to be prepared for a removal hearing if, in the event, the motion for discharge and release is denied. Meanwhile, Judge Gatewood also today approved amended motions for high-profile off-island attorneys Eli Golden and Robert Ray to represent Seleznev in Guam's federal court. Golden is a regional practice liaison for Russia in the firm's international practice group. He's tried hundreds of civil and criminal cases involving millions of dollars before judges and juries in multiple jurisdictions. As for attorney Ray, he is described as a prominent litigator and former federal prosecutor and independent counsel for the Whitewater investigation and Monica Lewinsky investigation. Wednesday's hearing is scheduled for 9 o'clock in the morning.